Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today I'll show you, step by step on your Windows PC, how to set a stop loss on Questrade. A well-placed stop loss helps protect your capital and automate your exits so you don't have to watch the screen all day. Let's get started. First, log into Questrade Edge Web on your PC and open the order entry window. In the symbol field, type the ticker of the stock or ETF you want to protect, then enter the number of shares. Next, choose the right order type. For a basic stop loss, select stop. If you want to guarantee a minimum fill price, choose stop limit and enter both a stop price and a limit price. For a stop that follows the market, pick trailing stop and set a dollar or percentage offset. These order types work slightly different. Pick the one that matches your risk plan. Now set the trigger details. Enter your stop price, the price that activates the order, or the trailing offset for a trailing stop, and select the order duration, for example day or GTC. Double-check quantity, prices, and duration before proceeding. For trailing stops, Edge Web and Edge Desktop both let you choose a dollar or percentage offset. Before you send the order, review the confirmation window and click Send Order. After it's placed, you can monitor, modify, or cancel the stop in your Orders or Positions tab. Bracket orders are also available if you want to place a profit target and a stop at the same time. Quick watchouts: a stop order becomes a market order when triggered, so executions can occur at a price different from your stop in fast markets. Use stop limit if you need a price floor. Also, Questrade systems use synthetic triggering, multiple prints, to avoid false triggers. Stop orders only trigger during regular market hours, and note that stop orders aren't available on some Canadian exchanges. Confirm for the specific security. That's it. Quick, safe, and done on your Windows PC. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.